Jain student, today we are going to discuss the some important question in the chapter village of Palampur. The first question, what is the aim of the production? The aim of production is to produce goods and services that we want. Next question, name the basic constant in raising farm production. The answer for this question is fixed land is the basic constant is raising farm productions. Next question, what is the standard unit of measuring the land area? The right answer is the hectare is the standard unit of measuring land area. Next question, question number 4. What are the modern farming method? The right answer for this question is uses of tractor, table for irrigations, fertilizer, pesticides, combined all the modern method of farming. The next question, what was the aim of introducing the high yield variety of seed? The aim of introducing high yield variety of seed was to increase the product to reduce the time required for producing grain. Next question, what is the most common way of increasing production on a given piece of land? The right answer is multiple cropping is the most common way of increasing production in the given piece of land. Next question, what is the disadvantage of green revolutions? The the answer is the excessive use of chemicals, fertilizer that have led to land degradations. Which one of the following is an example of fixed capital? Among the options are raw material, computer, money, and all of these. The right answer is computer. The next question, which of the following is the example of working capital? The options are tool, money, machine, and D all of these. The right answer is money. Next question, what is the main activity of most of the people living in village? Options are mining, B farming, C manufacturing, D dairy farming. The right answer is farming. The main activities of the most of the people living in village. What the percentage of people are dependent on the farming in village Palampur? The right answer is 75%. Among the options are 50%, 70%, 75%, and 60%. Question number 12. Village Palampur resemble a village of options are A Punjab, Haryana, UP, and all of these. The right answer is UP because village Palampur are situated in western part of the UP in the imaginary story. The next question, in which year the green revolutions introduced? The options are 1960, 1952, 1968, 1947. The right answer is 1968. The next question, in which state India is consumption of fertilizer maximum? The right answer is Punjab, B. With question number 15, with the introductions of green revolution, the cost of cultivation is A same as before, B less, C rising, D none of these. The right answer is option number C, that is rising. Question number 16, most of the cultivated land in Palampur is small in size. Options are small in size, large in size, C distributed equally, D small and scatter. The right answer is D, that is small and scatter. The next question, which of the following type of farmer borrow the most land? Options are large farmer, B landless farmer, C medium farmer, D small farmer and landless. The right answer is option D, that is small farmer and landless farmers. Thank you.